Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to screen record your Google Chrome browser. Whether you want to create tutorials, record meetings, or capture online content, this tutorial is for you. Now, on your Google Chrome browser, if you want to screen record, all you have to do is press the print screen key on your keyboard. Once you press print screen, you will see the screen record option appear with the snipping tool. From here, choose the size of the area you want to record. You can select the whole window or draw a rectangle around a specific area. Once you drag to select your area, it will focus only on the rectangle you have chosen. Then, click to release. Next, click Start to begin recording. As you can see, it is now recording. You can now record anything you want. For example, you can switch to YouTube or any other page you want to capture. When you are ready to stop, the recording will be saved automatically, and you can play it back right away. As you can see, it is now saved in your recordings. We hope this tutorial helps you learn how to record your Google Chrome browser using the built-in screen recording tool. We walked you through setting up, selecting your area, and capturing your screen with ease. And that's it. We now know how to screen record our Google Chrome browser.